Now guys, we will now start to walk in our assignment area together with Robin Padilla. Yes, Mr. Robin Padilla. The weather here guys is very much hot. I think what is the temperature right now?
Maybe
50,
almost 50.
50 or 50 plus. I don't know yet guys, but as long as I think it is already 50 plus temperature right there. It's very hot guys.
10 something.
Yes. There is workers guys is also coming closer to the shelter area. And after we arrive there guys, same thing to do, just signing our DTR, daily time record, and good for afternoon working hour for the counted of coming salary during salary time. That is a subcon. Camera? Camera, yes. I like that. You afraid the camera? Why you afraid? We are now arrived in the shelter area, guys. In our shelter area. Look the flag. It is still orange color. Yes. Go to the inside.
Buhos pala.
Go to the inside again. Let's do our sign. DTR. Yes.
Vlogging. No, there are whole watcher.
Whole watcher? I am all watcher now. Me in charge. There. Cool. Okay. Okay guys. My foreman have a new task for me. He said, and also came from the order of our supervisor. They said I'm now in charge for the whole watcher. Whole watcher guys is responsible for the safety. All workers working inside of the site project and also monitoring their going in and out. And should be listed the time where he just checking in and out. And I don't know what I'm going to say guys. And that's why yes. We are here.
Hello guys. Shout out sa mga taga Albay province.
Yes, is a Bicol
province.
Yes. How about man you?
Pala dyan sa Sorsogon.
Sorsogon. Also Bicol. How about you, my friend?
Hello. Patagay sa Bila.
Yeah, Ilocano. Yes.
Ilocano.
Yes, Ilocano guys, they are living in the Luzon part, Luzon region. I am now proceed to the old watcher guys. Old watcher. Later on. So much lagi. Yes, ewa! And hear me now guys, this is my table. And this is my inside right now. Yes. I will put my bag here. And I have 6 customer workers which working inside. And this is the area guys. I must be monitored and watch out and watch it or watch up to monitor their works, their safety, and which pass by from the supervisor and foreman. They ordered to watch this area. That is the responsibilities of us being hole watcher guys. Okay guys, that's it guys, and thank you and God bless. That is the video for today. I am now a hole watcher this afternoon hour of working.